Guys, take a look at this. This is awesome. This is basically the center differential for the majority of the Traxxas 110 scale cars. And take a look at this differential really quick. I mean, look at the machining. This thing is impeccable. Every tooth is highly defined. Basically, the spur section of the center differential is made of high-speed steel. The shaft is made of hardened steel, and then you have the output pinion as well. And this is basically the housing that houses all the gears inside. All the gears are made of hardened steel, and the housing is made of 7075 aluminum. This thing is phenomenal. And not only that, but it also feels pretty hefty. Like, this is a pretty nice piece of equipment for your 1/10 scale car. So why do you need one, and what exactly is a center differential? In a nutshell, the center differential manages the transfer of power from the rear to the front differentials. On most RC cars that don't come with a center differential, basically the power split between the rear and the front is just about equal, right? With the center differential, you gain independent control over your differential. So let's say your car is basically spinning out, the rear is spinning out. What the center differential does in that case is it lowers the power output to the rear and it sends that power to the front, allowing you to regain control of your truck. So take, for example, this Slash 4x4 that does not have a center differential. Actually, it does, but let's say it doesn't have a center differential. And let's say you're hitting corners and you start slipping in the rear, right? Basically, you're losing traction and the power is going split between the rear and the front. What's going to end up happening? You're going to wipe out. With a center differential, what happens in that case, if you start spinning out in the rear, the center differential is basically going to lower the output of power to the back, and it's going to push the power to the front, allowing you to regain control of your truck. So in my opinion, the center differential is a game changer if you don't have one. Not only is it a lot more enjoyable to drive the trucks because you're crashing less, but it also makes you a lot more competitive, especially if you're on the track or if you want to be able to take corners like a champ. So if you guys are interested in picking one up, I am going to drop the link in the description, so make sure you check it out when you have some time. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content like this in the future, make sure you smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.